Welcome back to Frog on the Clock. Do you love Barbie Fashionistas? Well, we definitely do. And I was so happy when the brand new Barbie Fashionista number 130 finally arrived. But no worries, much more are on the way. So make sure to subscribe that you don't miss out on upcoming brand new Barbie Fashionista videos. At the back of the box you can see more Barbie Fashionistas that will be released soon. I think they all look amazing and I can't wait to get them. But now let's get him out of the box. I think he looks great. He has sculpted on black hair and I really like his hairstyle. And brown eyes. He wears a black mesh shirt with a little white underneath, has the number 4 on the front and says Los Angeles on the bottom trim, and blue denim jeans, both pieces Velcro at the back. And he completes his look with white shoes. He is articulated with movement at the head, shoulders and hip. I really like him. I think he looks great. Let us know what you think in the comment box below. I hope you enjoyed watching our video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and follow us on Instagram at FrogOnTheClock. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.